5 ways the MELT method de-stresses your body and mind, presented by Back to Life Bodyworks. The rebalance sequence facilitates a shift in your nervous system from the stress regulator to the restore regulator. This simple shift relaxes your entire body and mind, improves the quality of your sleep, increases your body's capacity for regeneration and healing, and improves digestion and the assimilation of nutrients. The rebalance sequence has a relaxing effect on the limbic system, the emotional center of the brain. This can have profound effects for easing stress, anxiety, depression, and even PTSD. It can even improve problem solving and productivity, and can even have a positive effect on learning and memory. While we typically think of stress as a mental or emotional state, stress also accumulates in our bodies. MELT helps to alleviate and reverse many of the adaptations of our repetitive lifestyles, like muscular inhibition and imbalance, and joint compression. Repetitive postures like prolonged sitting, standing workstations, or engaging in the same forms of exercise can leave you more susceptible to injury and can cause pain even when you're not yet injured. In as little as 10 minutes a day, MELT can effectively prevent those stressors as well as reverse these issues when practiced consistently. We've all heard the old adage, work smarter, not harder, and the MELT method empowers your body to do just that by encouraging your body to work more efficiently, including promoting improved organ function and hormonal balance, enabling our bodies to metabolize sugars and fats rather than storing them as body fat. MELT can also reverse muscular inhibition and improve muscular balance so that all of your body is doing its share rather than some parts compensating and working harder than they have to. This can free up energy that you didn't realize you were wasting before. When our bodies are working efficiently, they can excrete toxins, dead cells, and stagnant fluids, as well as produce and absorb new fresh fluids full of nutrients and oxygen. MELT encourages the fluid exchange within our connective tissue, cardiovascular, and lymphatic systems. This reduces inflammation, improves regeneration, which translates to decelerating the aging process, so you look and, more importantly, feel younger. Recent studies at the Stanford University School of Medicine have revealed that chronic inflammation and the accumulation of stagnant fluids, not compression or wear and tear, is the primary cause of joint damage. Those stagnant fluids have been shown to have a corrosive effect on joints, ligaments, cartilage, bone, muscles, and nerves. This not only damages joints, but also irritates the nervous system, further stressing out the body. This increases inflammation and pain, makes you more susceptible to injury, not to mention it robs you of your precious energy. Want to try a few of the techniques and feel the difference MELT can make for your body and sense of well-being? Join me Saturday, September 29th, 3 to 3:45 at Southside Dojo. I'll provide all the tools for class, as well as handouts with all the techniques covered for continued progress at home. The cost of the class is only $15 and will provide you with simple self-care techniques that will change how your entire body feels. Pre-registration is encouraged and appreciated to ensure we have enough space and tools for everyone. Visit www.backtolifebodyworks.com to reserve your spot.